So the way that I'm going to do that is take me a piece of chalk and pick out one line. I'm going to go down my one line like this on that thread. I'm going to take this scrap piece of black, lay it down on top, keep everything straight, and rub it right into it. So that's what I got. You can see that dotted line right there from where it was laying on the stitch, and that's where I'm going to cut out with my scissors, is right on that stitch line that I can see right there. Now you can leave it right here and just use this little spot right there. That's actually perfect little curves. And just try to use that piece of vinyl for a template. So I'm going to take it like this. Line these up. You just keep steady on the paper. Get the end right there. Do it one more time. There we go. Cut that out. Out that. Cut that out. There we go. And now you can easily put your pleats anywhere you need to. And you got a little handle on the side. Alright, for this type, I'm going to start right here. I try to make sure I got a nice sharp wax pencil versus chalk for this kind of thing, because it don't wipe off as easy as chalk does.